Hey there, this is Brad with PavementLayers, and today I'll be showing you how to link your PavementLayers account with your QuickBooks Online account, which is going to be really helpful for you to send invoices. So to start off, you're going to go up here to My Account on the top menu bar. And now here on the left-hand side, go all the way down to the bottom to the QuickBooks option. And here we're going to be selecting QuickBooks Online. And when you're here, you're going to be clicking on this branded Connect to QuickBooks button here on the right. And it's going to pop up this menu where you're going to sign into your QuickBooks account, not your PavementLayers account. And here you're just going to select your company. Then wait for that to load, and then here you're going to be selecting your income account. For this video, we're going to select sales of product income, and then click on the Save Account Settings button down here. And then you're going to get this confirmation message, and when you see that, you have successfully linked your QuickBooks account to your PavementLayers account. Thank you.